Sarmid Hospital Jhelum. Free medical, Gyne and mental health camp. Date, February 14th, 2026. Venue, Sarmad Hospital, Jhelum. OPD time, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Services offered. Free general medical consultation. Free gynecology consultation. Mental health and psychological counseling. Stress, anxiety, and emotional health support. Under supervision of Dr. Sarmad Hafiz, Chief Consultant Gynecologist. Contact 0544 271221. Organized by Sarmad Hospital, Kachari Road, near Mohammadi Chowk, Jhelum. Professor Gul Zareen Malik, Clinical Psychologist. Bring this poster for priority facilitation. Free services for all patients.